Welcome to a deep dive into preventive maintenance scheduling. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In the next few minutes, we'll unlock the complexities of setting up a successful preventive maintenance schedule. We'll explore the process of assigning tasks, coordinating resources, and managing time frames. As we progress, you'll understand how to distinguish scheduling from planning and how to leverage computerized maintenance management system software. Stick around to learn who typically handles these schedules and the factors to consider when doing so. Now, let's dive into the world of preventive maintenance scheduling. It may seem simple at first glance. Decide on a task, set a time and a place, and assign someone to do the work. When the time comes, the assigned person does the work, and the scheduled event is either completed once or recurs at a specific interval. But there's more to it than that. Maintenance scheduling is all about ensuring planned work is carried out. It's about bringing together all the necessary resources to ensure tasks are completed correctly and on time. Now, don't confuse maintenance scheduling with maintenance planning. They are two different processes. Planning deals with what needs to be done and how, while scheduling handles who does it and when. There are many ways to schedule preventive maintenance work, and the process can vary depending on the computerized maintenance management system software you choose. So what exactly is preventive maintenance scheduling? In this process, the scheduler decides who will perform the work and coordinates materials, equipment, and an overall time frame for the work. This schedule doesn't just target specific dates. Work can be performed on repeated intervals as well, like in a preventive maintenance program. But who completes maintenance scheduling? It could be a dedicated maintenance scheduler, a maintenance supervisor, or a maintenance planner. In larger operations with complex maintenance needs, dedicated schedulers are often necessary. But in smaller operations, individual supervisors or even the planner may perform this role. When scheduling maintenance work, maintenance teams need to consider several factors. They need to read the work order and clarify details with the maintenance planner. Secure necessary resources like tools, people, supplies, spare parts, and safety equipment. Ensure the asset is available and ready for work. Assign the task to a technician for completion, and follow up and make improvements as needed. Some tasks may be scheduled on a recurring basis. In these cases, the scheduler needs to ensure each work order is completed on time, every time. Now let's break down the maintenance scheduling process. First, a maintenance or facility manager has to create a preventive maintenance schedule. This could be for a single piece of equipment, or it could be area or facility-wide. The team establishes what needs to be done in their preventive maintenance plan, then sets a schedule for when to complete the work. Next, once the preventive maintenance plan is created in your computerized maintenance management system software, a work order will be created for each instance. Most computerized maintenance management system platforms allow users to create recurring work orders on an equipment-specific basis. Finally, the work order is assigned to a maintenance technician. The technician uses the work order as a log for the task, documenting any issues encountered or other relevant data. Once the work is finished, the technician closes out the work order, signaling that the preventive maintenance should reoccur either at its specified interval or from the moment the work is completed. While this process may seem straightforward, it often comes with challenges that can disrupt workflows and decrease schedule compliance. These challenges can include a lack of communication with operations crews, inefficient inventory management, challenges with suppliers, a lack of proper in-house training for specialized tasks, and misunderstandings with contractors. To improve your maintenance scheduling practices, consider using a computerized maintenance management system to log data from work orders and assets. Don't account for potential emergency work, load schedules to 100%, and perform root cause analysis on your workflows to find inefficiencies. Remember, the ultimate goal is to make sure equipment is properly maintained, so keep that in mind when scheduling maintenance work. Thank you for joining us today. We've covered the complexities of preventive maintenance scheduling, the importance of coordinating resources, and the role of a computerized maintenance management system. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For further resources and information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We're dedicated to helping maintenance and reliability teams succeed. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.